Hey, Carl at DayTradeToWin.com here. Okay, so for the last few days the stock market has really taken a beating, and the S&P 500 is down more than 200 points for the week. And it's during times like these that most trading strategies unfortunately fail and traders lose a lot of money. But at DayTradeToWin.com, on the other hand, we have the Atlas line strategy and software that really proves itself when there's this kind of market turmoil. So let's have a look at the Atlas line automatic trading signals for the past few days. So would you look at that? We had a Atlas line short signal at 28.64. So I think it should be obvious to everyone how powerful the Atlas line really is. Then we also have these S's and P's here. These are the secondary signals that the Atlas line software provides us. This main signal here, that's the primary signal. Then we have a lot of secondary signals. So each of these signals here also produced great profits for us, except this one. So let's cross that out like that. Then we had the next one, all of these except this one and this one produced a lot of great profit for us. As you can see, as I measure these, there's huge potential for a lot of profitable trades using the Atlas line software. And if you're interested in learning how to day trade with the Atlas line software and get trading signals like this, instead of losing all your money when this happens in the markets, you can go to DayTradeToWin.com, click courses and software, click Atlas line, and you will be taken to this web page where we have all the details about the Atlas line trading software. And I'm sure you will enjoy day trading with the Atlas line trading software. And when you trade with the Atlas line trading software, you can avoid market moves like this where you will lose a lot of money. Instead, you can turn that into your advantage and reap the benefits of these automatic trading signals. Thank you for watching. We have a whole bunch of videos available on our YouTube channel, and we're producing more videos for you to watch every week, like live day trading, educational videos, and more. So please subscribe by clicking the button below in the bottom right corner of this video. Please give us a thumbs up for encouragement, and always, if you have any questions, feel free to reach out through the comments below. And remember to visit DayTradeToWin.com.